here.
Oh, here, wait. Don't spill those. You won't want to spill those. Okay.
What the heck is
Okay,
in
Gabrielle, you can have Mom or your Daddy help you open
I think it's a goodie bag. Or an bag.
Somebody wrapped those too well.
Oh, sorry.
Or an bag. Woohoo! Steel color.
Alright.
Careful, don't shake them too hard. The bag will break.
Yeah.
What are they? What are they, Gabrielle?
But you gotta only eat those when your Mom or Dad tell you you can't.
Yeah, you can't keep
Like
them
half the
in
Right, no, you can't keep them in your room.
You can keep them in my room, though.
Awesome.
Which one?
Well, there's number 3, The Secret of the Old Metal. And there's another Gary Paulson.
And where'd you get the first Gary Paulson book?
Look what I got.
Where did your first Gary Paulson book come from?
Read.
Oh, was it good?
Cool. We got the gift.